Merry Christmas to all of you. I just want to say to everyone, Merry Christmas. I just want to warn Paulo Cruzada. You know, you call me Lutang. My dad calls me that, and you gave me a schizophrenia and you control my brain. You know, Paulo Cruzada. Stop promoting terrorism. You know, last year you ruined the Christmas of Shania Kiana, Jerick Silva, and Joseph Maspinas. When I was there in Condo and Stellar Place, when I never use what's that, Facebook, even Messenger. Oh, when I see in the Facebook and Messenger, when I was a witness anyway. When I use a browser in Facebook, even Messenger, when I saw the evidence from Paulo Cruzada, he forcefully recruit Wawel Romero into ISIS. Excuse me, Paulo Cruzada. Wawel Romero is not a Muslim. She's not a Sunni. She's not Salafist. She's not a Wahhabist. Wawel Romero is a born-again Christian. She's against terrorism. Oh, like I mentioned by Mark Pacione. Mark Joshua Pacione said to me, um, she's against terrorism. Sabi sa akin ni Mark Pacione, like what he said to me, she's against terrorism. Oh, Wawel Romero is against terrorism. You know that. You know what does Mark Pacione said to me? What's that before? He said it to Tita Maggie Ganti. Wala na si Teacher Lendel, hindi natuturo sa CDIFI. Oh, wag na puro terorismo. Oh. When you say about terrorism, Paulo Cruzada, I'm not promoting, for just example, I'm not promoting terrorism. I'm not promoting ISIS. You know that, right? I'm not promoting terrorism. When you promote terrorism, Paulo Cruzada, I am not promoting terrorism. And you force best pills, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, Angelo Bonsa, to recruit themselves ISIS. Excuse me, Paulo Cruzada. Best pills, Arnel Guerrero Castillo is a Catholic. He's not a Muslim. He's not Wahhabist. He's not Sunni. He's against terrorism. Even Angelo Bonsa is not a Muslim. He's not Sunni. He's not Wahhabist. He is a Catholic. Can you just please, Paulo Cruzada, leave Wawel Romero and Arnel Guerrero Castillo and Angelo Bonsa alone? Stop recruiting themselves as a terrorist. Huh? Even you, Gin Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, both of you, mother and son, for praising ISIS. Why both of you are praising ISIS? Are both of you are similar of Sajid Navkram and Navid Akram for what they did to Australia in the Bondi Beach shooting? And praising the ISIS, and you saying what do they say in Tagalog? What they said? Teacher Gina Sergio says, ako ang ISIS. Sabuhin ko ang Metro Manila at Davao City. And she includes Moscow, Russia, Beijing, China, even Tehran, Iran, even Nagoya, Osaka, Japan, even Tokyo. At least she mentioned about Germany, Frankfurt, Stuttgart, the place of Nanay Ningning, even Berlin. You know, Teacher Gina Sejo, you're a sped teacher in Japan. I'm not promoting terrorism. You have your two sons, and you have a daughter. You have the daughter, Tresha Asedio. You have a two son, Jeffrey Asedio and Kyle Asedio. What do you gonna say if you're going to be in prison? Teacher Gina Asedio and Jeffrey Asedio. If Jeffrey Asedio will not be in prison, he should be in DSWD. If he's a minor. Teacher Gina Asedio might be in prison in in the city jail in in Bulacan. There's a Bulacan city jail. You'll be in prison, Teacher Gina Asedio, and your son Jeffrey Asedio will be custody in the DSWD. He is 17 years old. He is minor. You know that I'm not promoting terrorism. And what does your eldest son, even that your daughter, Tresha Asedio, and also Kyle Asedio, what did they say to you in what they said? Tigilan nyo na papropromote ng mga terorismo. Because you know you are promoting terrorism in Messenger, even Facebook. Both of you, Gina Asedio and Jeffrey Asedio, including G. Macasandil, the uncle of Paula Nunez. And you're saying you're an ISIS? What if you're going to be in prison? G. Macasandil, you're an uncle of Paula Nunez. Who will gonna see your son? Who will gonna see your wife? Who will gonna see your niece, Paula Nunez? Even your relative is also Tita Sita. Are you promoting terrorism? G. Macasandil? I am not promoting terrorism, ha? Stop promoting terrorism in Messenger and Facebook. This is why Denzel Joshua and Roylan Marlang and even Luis Cabales and Patrick Quezon and including Isaiah Chua, they told me, do not promote terrorism, ha? I'm not promoting terrorism. Just to know that terrorism is also causing panicking. Like I said, remember that. At least four of you never mentioned about Canada. Four of you never mentioned about the place in Calgary. Do not mention about Ate Mirasol. Do not mention Paulo Siaco who lived there, and even Tatay Delpin and Kuya Dong. Do not mention them because I know Calgary in Canada, that is a place of Mikey Villanueva. Even Paulo Siaco, they studying in Canada. Do not threaten them. Do not disturb them. I am warning them. At least Paulo Siaco had left the group chat of Paulo Cruzada. Even Mikey Villanueva. because they don't like terrorism. Even Wawel Romero had left the group chat of Paulo Cruzada. Even who among left in the group chat of promoting terrorism of Paulo Cruzada and Gina Sedio and Jeffrey Asedio, and Jima Casandil, all of us, they left. Even not only left, Shania Kiana left also, Jerick Silva, or even Joseph Maspinas, Josh Gozo, and Sophia Ahmad Sultan. They left also. We do not promote, we do not promote terrorism. We don't like terrorism. Why we don't want terrorism? We just left the group chat. That's a reason I'm not promoting terrorism, okay? Because this will cause you a lots of panicking. Just remember, when I was in Malaysia, I study in special education school in Malaysia. I study there. I'm not promoting terrorism. Oh, when I study in special education school in Malaysia, in Islamic school, they told me, do not idolize the Wahhabist and Salafist, who is the ideology of the ISIS. They told me that ISIS are evil. That's not a good manner of the Muslims. They are radical. They said to me, do not idolize. When they said to me, do not idolize, it's a radicalism. Do not idolize. Because I know the ISIS are the enemy of the Muslims, Christians, and Shias, and mostly across the world. We are fighting against terrorism. And another one, when I was in Iran, I study in Shia Islam, in Islamic school in Iran, that ISIS is the enemy of Ali Khamenei. ISIS is the enemy of the government of Iran. ISIS is the enemy of the Shia Muslims. It's an enemy. Just remember, when the time of year 2009 until 2010, I trained in the Singaporean Army Special Operation Forces when I was 13 years old. Before I joined in the U.S. Marines and U.S. Delta Force and U.S. Navy SEALs. I fight against terrorism. And I joined in the war in Afghanistan with Joshua Arroyo, who is a U.S. Marines. I'm fighting against terrorism, Al-Qaeda. I'm fighting against terrorism. When I was in the U.S., I was trained in Anya Suyuki, my ninang, and also my friend Joshua Arroyo. I was deployed in Iraq. I joined the U.S. Navy SEALs. I joined in the U.S. Army Delta Force. I joined in U.S. Marine Corps Force Recon. I'm fighting against terrorism. I'm fighting against ISIS in Iraq, or Islamic State of Iraq. I'm fighting it. And then when I joined in the Russian army in 2013, Um, I recruited by Tito Mac, and I was a loyalty to Vladimir Putin. And I joined in the Russian Spetsnaz. When I was in Syria, I was helped by Iranian Code Force with Tomas Grigori Ferrer. And I was helped by a Syrian army just in Bagao. I fight against ISIS. I fight against Islamic State of Iraq. Also in ISIS in Syria. I fight against ISIS. I kill all the ISIS. Oh, when I use counter-terrorism and close-quarter combat, I fighting against ISIS. Oh, when I join in Iranian Quds Force, in Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps in Iran, in a Special Operation Forces in Quds Force, when I was recruited by Jessica Lane, I fight against terrorism. I fight against ISIS. Oh, in Iraq. When I joined in Kataib Hezbollah in Iraq. That's why, Paulo Cruzada, Gina Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, and also Jima Casandil, four of you, those four imbeciles, do not promote terrorism, alright? Do not promote the fucking terrorism. I'm not promoting terrorism, huh? Just to know, terrorism is not really knowledge. Just to know, since without David Gill, since without Teacher Lendl, oh, Teacher Lendl was not in CDIFI. I was mentioned by Mark Pacione. And I know David Gill, he was not there in Facebook. Oh, when David Gill's dad, Mr. Dennis Gill, had lectured me that terrorism is not really a knowledge. Paulo Cruzada, Gina Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, and Jima Casandil do not promote terrorism. Oh, at least you know that in the current events, the lesson from Teacher May Tiburcio, my arch enemy, she discussed about we discussed about Marawi siege last 2017. During the time of administration of Rodrigo Duterte, he killed Itzilon Hapilon and Umar Maute, and including the Malaysian terrorist who was a foreigner named Amin Baku, who was killed by Philippine Army Scout Ranger. When the ISIS was neutralized in the Philippines, Marawi was liberated. No more ISIS in the Philippines. It's already defeated. Like the Abu Sayyaf and Maute, they're defeated.